data and AI for a better city.
Welcome to the city
of Tyler, Texas. If there's a heart of Tyler, Texas, it's here. We have touch points throughout the city. Police, fire, water, things like temperature, clarity, you name it, we're monitoring it.
So how do we do it? We all know technology can do a wonderful thing, but the magic is in our people.
We see it all. The network, all the devices on the network. We're even monitoring things like the weather, so we want to see what kind of impact that's having on our system. We're focusing on things like applications, our users. We want to make sure that they have what they need to deliver the best service they can to our community. For an example, the police department. We have taken the power of an entire data center and put it into the hands of our officers.
The measure of it is exceeding the value for those that serves the community.
We monitor our sirens that are all around town to make sure that they're working like they're supposed to. They monitor our locations of our cops and our police officers and fire trucks as they're stationed throughout town to make sure that we don't end up with all our services on one side of town, so we actually can just distribute them like we're supposed to. But it makes us feel good to understand that they're continually watching us over there. As you walk into the IT department and you see that wall of computers, to make sure that it's important to them to make sure that we are able to keep connectivity, that everything that we have in our vehicles are working continuously. The access we have to information now, we do data analytics for where we assign the number of officers in certain beats, where we see clusters of crimes occurring, so we can put additional personnel in those. It tells us what systems people are using a lot more than others, so we can reinvest into those also. I can tell you our crime analyst right now is using that data-driven approach to crime and traffic, where we overlay crime and traffic crashes, so we can see if there's a greater likelihood that we're able to impact it. So we send an officer there, and what we know is that every time that those red and blue lights go off, we get a residual effect on crime prevention. And by doing that one, we're able to suppress that. It would have taken us months to do the pen mapping 20 years ago. Now, with the crime analysis we have nowadays, we can produce those maps in a matter of minutes.
We built a Tyler Cloud that allows us to put the information our employees need at their fingertips, no matter where they are.
The things they use every day, the computers in their cars, the radars in their cars, the ticket books they use, everything is connected, and it's digitally uploaded through Wi-Fi instead of having to go and actually connect every one of these things like we used to have to do. We wrote a paper ticket, we dropped it in a box and sent it to municipal court.
From a security standpoint, we are monitoring threats throughout the world. We're keeping the bad guys away from our financial systems, our 911 systems, our public infrastructure like the drinking water, the traffic lights. In Tyler, security is a top priority.
You know, just like any cities, we go through that pain, and we have to identify, and we work with our partners to find out what else can we do to keep the guys that they are malicious out of our system. All of the departments across the city, they have the same mindset that delivering value to our citizens is the most important things. And we get along very well working with each other to delivering that value to our citizens in a more cost-effective way. But really the direction comes from the upper management. They set the tone for the city. They set the tone that every single one of us understand that what we are here for is called to serve. That's our motto. We serve the community. And when we serve the community, we come together as a team. Not just my team, we come together with police, we come together with fire, we come together with the streets. We do that as a collaboration to serve our citizens. That's what we do. We do it because it's Tyler. Tyler is our home. Our team has a passion for delivering value for those that serves our community.
To do the things we do now, if we didn't have it, we'd probably need 50 more officers on the street. We knew that when every time we reduce a report, we put another officer on the street for an hour.
We live in Tyler, we work in Tyler, this is our community, and that's the Tyler way.